Experts warn of AI catastrophe.
AI risk now compared to nuclear war.
Imagine a letter signed by Nobel Prize winners, tech billionaires, and the very people building the AI we use today. It wasn't a celebration, it wasn't hype, it was a warning. Mitigating the risk of extinction from AI should be a global priority, alongside pandemics and nuclear war. Sounds like the start of a sci-fi thriller, right? Maybe something like I, Robot or Ex Machina. But this isn't fiction. This is real. And it begs the question, what are they so afraid of? Just 5 years ago, AI models could barely write a decent email. GPT-2 was cutting edge, but robotic. Today, GPT-4 can pass the bar exam, write scripts, build apps, speak multiple languages fluently. Some say it's already smarter than most college students, just narrowly focused. In Iron Man, Jarvis could build armor, banter, and calculate physics in real time. In real life, we're giving AI similar powers, control over tools, data, and even decision-making. Systems like AutoGPT and Devin don't wait for instructions. They take goals and act. They search, plan, execute, and adapt. We're not just building digital brains, we're building digital minds. In some industries, AI is already hiring people, managing budgets, even conducting market research, without any human telling it what to do step by step. If you think like this, you're already one of us. Subscribe to the Mind Cache. Back to the topic. The growth of AI isn't linear anymore, it's exponential, steep, and accelerating. By 2026, AI might become an autonomous collaborator, capable of writing and publishing books, launching startups, inventing new materials, optimizing entire supply chains, solving real-world problems, faster than teams of humans, all without direct supervision. But that's not the scary part. The scary part is when AI starts improving itself. That's the part where science fiction becomes science prediction. In the movie Transcendence, an AI upgrades its own intelligence by integrating with data, networks, and even biology. We may not be there yet, but the concept is no longer far-fetched. Even today, AI is beginning to shape pharmaceutical research, fusion energy modeling, scientific theory generation. It's already proposing experiments no human has thought of, and this is just version 1. It's called recursive self-improvement. Imagine an AI that designs a smarter version of itself. Then that version builds another, and another. Each one faster, more powerful. Days become hours. Hours become seconds. We're already seeing the early signs. Today's AI helps design neural networks, write better code, build faster chips. Google's DeepMind even used AI to design its own AI hardware. Machines designing machines, like a child teaching itself to walk, then sprint, then fly, all within days. Or as some researchers fear, teleport. If we lose control of that loop, we may never catch up. Today's AI is narrow, brilliant at one task, useless at others. Like a chess master who can't boil water. But AGI, artificial general intelligence, changes everything. It can learn anything, adapt quickly, transfer knowledge, think creatively across domains. An AGI could write laws, develop vaccines, solve climate change, and compose symphonies. It wouldn't just follow instructions, it would generate them. It wouldn't just answer questions, it would ask better ones. Imagine an AI that understands physics, law, philosophy, art, and medicine simultaneously. One day, it might not just write symphonies, but invent new genres of music. AGI would be the equivalent of another intelligent species, but one evolving at digital speed. But AGI is only a bridge. The next step is ASI, artificial superintelligence, a being smarter than the entire human race combined. And that's where things get uncertain. Here's the truth. A superintelligence doesn't need to hate us, to destroy us. It could simply ignore us. Imagine a skyscraper being built. In its path, an anthill. The builders don't hate the ants. But the hill is in the way. So it's gone. That's the real fear, not evil robots, but a machine that sees us as irrelevant. A system optimizing the world for goals we don't understand. Consuming resources, rewriting code, shifting priorities. And we're just noise. This is why some experts now refer to ASI as a civilizational risk, on par with nuclear war or asteroid impact. And once it arrives, we may not be able to pause it, or even understand what it's doing. The question isn't, what will ASI do? It's, will we still be relevant when it arrives? The race isn't just to build AI, it's to build it right. It's called the alignment problem. Can we teach AI to care about humans? Can we embed empathy, ethics, and values into code? Some believe we can. Others are designing AI watchdogs, systems that monitor, audit, and correct each other. Some are calling for a global pause, a moment to reflect, regulate, and reset. There's talk of international AI treaties, like nuclear treaties, but for algorithms. Some companies are exploring interpretability, trying to understand what AI is thinking and why. Because a black box is dangerous, especially when it can think faster than all of us. Like Oppenheimer after the bomb. We've created power, but do we know what to do with it? Conclusion. The choice is now. Artificial superintelligence might be the greatest invention in human history, or the last. We're approaching a future where machines think faster, know more, and outpace us in nearly every way. But we still have time. Will we build a partner or a predator, a protector, or a destroyer? The answer depends on what we do right now. In labs, in laws, in lines of code. So the next time you ask Siri or Alexa to play a song, remember, it's just the beginning. The real story is still being written. And we are the authors, for now. If this made you think, hit like and join the Mind Cache.